Alright, we're going to train you how to sign up for your Fusion account. So if you type in UC Davis Sport Clubs, you can find our Sport Club page. Fusion will be used to sign your waivers. Every Sport Club athlete needs to sign their waivers. So here you can find it. If you want to travel, if you want to compete, if you want to practice, you need to go through and sign your waiver. Up at the top right, you'll log in. For all UC Davis students, undergrad, grad students, you'll use your UC Davis Kerberos. I had to make a different account just for test purposes. This is where you'll sign up for all your classes if you want to participate in any other activities for campus recreation. But for the sport club purposes, we'll go down to sport clubs and you'll find all your different activities. So if I wanted to sign up for the fencing club, fiscal year, you'll see the information, the price, add to cart. These are your waivers. Make sure you read all of your waivers before signing. All of these gray boxes you need to click and sign. Please make sure you are reading through the waivers. Anything that you sign, you should be reading over before you are signing. I'm going through it quickly because I've read these a million times. When you're done, click Sign Now. Add to cart. You can see all this information is correct. Make sure you're signing up for the right club and click Checkout. Here you can save a new card if you want to do multiple purchases for later on, or you can just check out if you want to do it for a one-time purpose. This is where you'll enter all your billing information as well as your payment details. If you have an issue where it doesn't go through, make sure whatever credit card that you're using to pay for this, the address linked to that credit card is the same address as you're plugging in here. If you're putting in your local address in this area and your credit card is linked to your parent's house, for example, it's not going to read it and you're not going to be able to pay. So please make sure you're entering in that correctly. When you're done, hit the pay button. And if you've done it correctly, you'll see your payment was successful. Congratulations, you are now a Sport Club athlete. If you have any issues with your account, especially if you are a grad student, vet student, med student, please send Mike Dominguez an email with your information and why you're not successful. We can look into your account and see if we can help you. Hope this was helpful. Thank you and good luck.